Welcome Trailblazers. Welcome to my channel. Today we are unlocking the real value behind Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced. Yes, the RCA that promises to revolutionize your revenue lifecycle from quote to cash. If you have worked with Salesforce CPQ and felt the friction in pricing, billing, or renewals, this episode is going to show you how RCA bridges those gaps with enterprise level intelligence. So let's dive in. And we'll be discussing about the following agenda, that is Salesforce Revenue Cloud versus Revenue Cloud Advanced, the architectural differences, and then we'll be discussing about the components that are involved in Revenue Cloud Advanced, and finally about the Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced pricing. Now, Revenue Cloud versus Revenue Cloud Advanced. So, to begin with, let me give you a brief history of where this all started from. Back in 2015, Salesforce has bought two solutions, CPQ and billing, from a company called Steelbrick, and it has embedded these two modules along with the existing contract and subscription management, forming a revenue cloud suite. So in revenue cloud, that is Salesforce CPQ, as we all call it as, that's the old offering. The CPQ and billing are introduced as managed packages, meaning in order to use revenue cloud in your projects, we need to install both these managed package solutions. But with the new Revenue Cloud Advanced, all these modules are introduced at the platform level. So this is the primary difference between both the offerings. So CPQ, billing, contract, subscription management, order orchestration, billing, asset management, all the modules are now bought under Revenue Cloud, all at the platform level, and there is no need to install any managed packages. So with the revenue lifecycle management, the architecture is more modularized. It's all layered, meaning now we have headless API support. It's all metadata driven. So let's see some more capability wise differences between Salesforce CPQ versus RCA. The first capability, in terms of product configuration, with CPQ, it supports product configuration. You can configure bundles, nested bundles, and write some rules around the configuration, which help the sales rep for better selection of products. But with RCA, you are going to get advanced features where it comes with an advanced product configurator, where you have a better control of writing rules around product configuration along with enhanced catalog support. The next capability is pricing engine. We get a basic pricing engine capability in CPQ, and with RCA you are going to get advanced pricing engine support, meaning it has Salesforce pricing plus rate management. And cherry on the cake, as we know that in CPQ the pricing waterfall is tightly bound, meaning you cannot alter the pricing waterfall provided by the package. But with RCA, the pricing waterfall can be altered as per the business requirement. If you want to dive in deep about this session, please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. We are going to discuss each of these capabilities in detail in the upcoming sessions. The next capability is quoting. While CPQ supports quoting, so do RCA. With RCA, Salesforce promises to support even large quotes with more than 1000 plus quote lines, which was a problem with the Salesforce CPQ package. Well, coming to order management, the order management capability is limited in CPQ, but with RCA, it provides a full order to cash orchestration. And as we seen earlier, billing does been supported in CPQ, but it does require to install the managed package in order to support billing, but with Revenue Cloud Advanced. So billing is also part of the platform, and all the capabilities of subscription, usage, milestone are being supported in RCA too. Coming to contract lifecycle, there is a huge improvement in this area with Revenue Cloud Advanced. The contract lifecycle management is now possible within Salesforce, right from redlining, contract generation, amendments, renewals is all being managed by the new contract lifecycle management module. Revenue recognition, yes, it is supported with Salesforce CPQ too, but we'll require to install the billing module, and with RLM it again comes with the platform itself. And then ERP integration, both the CPQs does support ERP integration. So these are some of the capabilities differences between Revenue Cloud versus the Revenue Cloud Advance. So with the latest Revenue Cloud Advance, Salesforce claims that this suite is ready for any industry, any revenue of any size. All this built on top of Einstein Platform 1. So let's dive in to the components involved in Revenue Cloud. If you see the architecture of Revenue Cloud suite, it's all built on top of Salesforce platform, which is powered by Agentforce. So yes, agents can be now utilized with the Revenue Cloud Advanced. And see how beautifully it is been architectured. The Revenue Cloud supports all channels: direct sales, channel sales, in product and e-commerce. With its headless API, you can now integrate with any channel. It's all loosely coupled and modularized and all metadata driven when compared to CPQ. You will truly appreciate its benefits once you start utilizing the Revenue Cloud Advanced. Okay, now let's dive in deep into the component levels. So there are, it is basically, segmented into catalog, CPQ, contracts, orders, asset and billing. Within catalog, we see catalog, product catalog and pricing management, and CPQ is the same suite, configure, price and quote, and entire contract lifecycle management, order orchestration, asset management, and revenue recognition and invoice generation and payment processing are all the components that are involved in Revenue Cloud Advance. So as you notice, it is a complete quote to cash suite, and which when embedded with the Sales Cloud, it will form the lead to cash suite. Yes, so let's see how it's being priced. It is $200 per month to get all the features of Revenue Cloud suite all the features that we discussed previously: catalog management, pricing management, transaction, configurator, contract lifecycle management, billing, Omni Studio document generation. All these features will be available as part of the $200 pricing. Yes, hope this is all clear now. So please stay tuned and stay subscribed. We are going to discuss in detail of all the capabilities that we have seen earlier. Thank you.